Hi everyone, my name is Antonia. I'm an illustrator from Lisbon, and today I'm going to talk about my creative process. I'm going to take you through how I do my digital portraits. The step one to me is the most important step, which is getting inspired. Taking the time to find your inspiration and really researching your references. Going online and finding out what you like before creating something. When you know what you like, you're gonna see the things that you like about your own piece in the end, which makes the whole process a lot easier and more exciting. Step two would be surround yourself with the inspiration that you found. I like to have all the photos that I found on the internet on my computer screensaver. That way they're always showing up uninterrupted, so I'm always looking at them. This helps to keep inspired. Step three is to get your equipment. I use the iPad Pro in the 12.9-inch size with the Apple Pencil, the second generation one, and an app called Procreate. For digital drawings, I find that Procreate is a more intuitive, or you can even go really crazy and find a physical photo, a printed photo, and use paint. Step four is to find the photo that you really like. It has to be a photo that you really like. Before you do anything to it, you need to love the photo for what it is. That way, when you're creating, the photo will inspire you. It's going to be a conversation between you and the photo that you're working on. Step five is to just go crazy. Have fun. Search for all of those inspirations that you found before, all of those elements, those colors. Let go. No pressure. Don't think about the result, the end product. Just try to have fun while you're creating it. And as a bonus step, make sure you have a really good playlist playing on the background. Something really fun that will get you super excited and in the mood to create. And then that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you enjoyed the photo that we created together. And now I hope that you get creative. Now it's your turn to draw something really awesome and have fun.